Hello, how to solve for a and b in this equation? A plus b is equal to 6, ab is equal to 22. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. A plus b is equal to 6. Let us call this equation 1. AB is equal to 22. Let us call this equation 2. Now from this equation 1, A plus b is equal to 6. B is equal to 6 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. Also from equation 2, AB is equal to 22. Now we can now substitute for B, which is 6 minus A. This is A bracket 6 minus A bracket is equal to 22. Let's open the bracket. A multiplied by 6, this is 6A minus A multiplied by A square is equal to 22. Now this is minus A square. Here is plus 6A. If you bring this to this side, it becomes minus 22 is equal to 0. Let's divide the whole of this equation by negative 1. Then negative A square divided by negative 1, that will give you A square. Now plus 6A divided by negative 1, this is negative 6A. Negative 22 divided by negative 1, this is plus 22 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. And from this equation, this is A, which is the coefficient of A square here, and this is B, which is the coefficient of A, and this is C, which is the constant here. A is equal to minus bracket here, this is minus 6 plus or minus square root of B square, that is minus 6 square minus 4 multiplied by A is 1, multiplied by C is 22 over 2 multiplied by A is 1. A is equal to minus times minus is, this is 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared, this is 36 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 22, that is 88 over 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. A is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 88, that is 50 minus 52. Then over 2. And this is the same thing as 6 plus or minus square root of 52 multiplied by negative 1 over 2. A is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 52 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by 13 multiplied by this negative 1, then everything over 2. And this is the same thing as 6 plus or minus square root of 4, that is 2, square root of negative 1, that is I, then square root of 13 over 2. A is equal to 6 over 2 plus or minus 2I over 2 root 13. 2 here 1, 2 here 3, 2 here 1, 2 here 1. This is same thing as 3 plus or minus I root 13. Therefore, A1 is equal to 3 plus I root 13 and A2 is equal to 3 minus I root 13. These are the values of A. We've gotten the values of A. Let us solve for B. To solve for B, from equation 3, B is equal to 6 minus A. Then B1 is equal to 6 minus A1 is 3 plus I root 13. B1 is equal to 6. If you open the bracket with this negative, we have minus 3 minus I root 13. B1 is equal to 6 minus 3. This is 3 minus I root 13. We've gotten the value of B1. Now B2 is equal to 6 minus A2. B2 is equal to 6 minus A2 is 3 minus I root 13. B2 is equal to 6 minus 3 plus I root 13. B2 is equal to 3 plus I root 13. Therefore, our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 3 plus I root 13, 3 minus I root 13. A2, B2, this is equal to 3 minus I root 13, 3 plus I root 13. These are the final answer. You can see that the value of A1 here is equal to the value of B2 here, and the value of B1 here is equal to the value of A2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, A plus B is equal to 6. Then AB is equal to 22. Let's consider this. A plus B, this is 3 plus I root 13 plus 3 minus I root 13 must be equal to 6. This cancel this. Then we have 3 plus 3. This is 6 is equal to 6, which is true. Now let us consider this. AB, this is 3 plus I root 13 multiplied by 3 minus I root 13 must be equal to 22. 3 times 3, this is 9, minus 3 times I root 13, we have 3I root 13. I root 13 multiplied by 3, this is plus 3I root 13 minus I root 13 multiplied by I root 13, this is I square multiplied by square root of 13 square. This cancel this cancel this. Then we have 9 minus I square multiplied by 13 must be equal to 22. Now this is 9 minus multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 13 must be equal to 22. Here we have 9 plus 13 must be equal to 22. And this is 22 is equal to 22, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.